Yeah, the pull hook and they go so. So you don't it look appear big, but it's not going to be this big. Because what we don't the what it can for do and proper, go for reduce in size. But for now, follow we for work the proper one and accurate one, I make widen and so. Or we'll go for reduce. So this is the front of the house. By the front this. So as we do am, and so back the dirty way did it with the spread and go at the compound. And now they don't help follow get plenty dirty. Spread. We'll do the well now, we'll just the all this front time will get one equal level. So we get the curve like how you been say. Follow we do curve, then I'll be triangle then I'll get a corner, a sharp corner. So we get a curve here. But what we do now, proper one. And now they all go for show clear. So this is the old foundation of the old building where the mammy begin. So the foundation, this one. And it's have been very good foundation because really solid. They will get plenty dirty back we don't put here. So later we will work done, we will go for need dirty for put around the sides also. So this dirty self will help during that time day. For this side here, we already don't get the height we want, about 5 to 6 feet. Then this last point now, and we try to get like 8 feet. So we get a slope from the midpoint now. So this way I can jump to this other side. We'll get a slope where we'll get a 9 feet there. And then at the corner, and still you get a very big compound. There's a spacious compound at the front here, where you know we'll plant trees there now. Another thing there. How then the dig now so the level the place, the dirty self, they spread out the dirty.